Tables also have structure. Just as we have structure in HTML, we have t-head, t-foot, t-body. Now, t-head generally wraps content in the header, and the body, of course, the body, and the foot normally wraps the footer. So normally things in the final row of the table. Why do you think we need all this extra structure? They don't really change the way your table looks. They only help you apply certain effects to parts of the table. So for example, let's say you want to apply a certain effect to the footer. You can apply it to those surrounded by the t-foot. Of course, the same goes for the header. Now, the web browser adds a t-body to your table even if you don't add it. So let's look at this code. We have a table. There isn't any table body here. We have more rows, up to about 5 rows. But we need to see what actually is going behind the scenes. If we inspect our browser, if you're using Chrome, to inspect, you right click and then you will see inspect code. So now let's check and see what has been done. If you notice, you will see t-body, and t-body is surrounding the whole code. It surrounds the 5 table rows that we have. So Google Chrome automatically surrounded it within the t-body because that normally is where it should be. But we can use these existing tags to actually group our code and apply certain effects to it.